Hey folks, it's Mark from the Safe House. You know, being here in Music City in Nashville, we get a lot of musicians come in and want a safe to store their valuable musical instruments, the guitars, their fiddles, their violins, whatever you want to call them. So we're going to talk about not my musical abilities, because I have none, and if I played, you'd probably turn this video off. But we're going to talk about a new interior we got to store musical instruments, guitars, violins, fiddles, and stuff like that. So it's really a great way to secure your high valuable musical instruments. You just slide your guitars in the slots here. There's different sizes. You can adjust it either if it's an electric guitar or acoustical guitar or any large musical instrument that you want to protect, because musical instruments, just like anything else, are very valuable. So come talk to us at the Safe House, one of our 3 locations. Go to our website, thesafehouse.com. If you got any questions about musical instruments, guitar safes, you can go to our website, thesafehouse.com, right down there. Like and subscribe our videos and give us a call.